How's it going, everyone? It's been a little bit since I made a video. I'm getting ready to do a passenger side tie rod end on the ML350. So I thought I'd shoot one real quick. Got my little helper right here. You being a good girl. Yeah, you being a good girl. So let's go through what you're going to need on this job. So, of course, you're going to need a new tie rod end. And then also, ball joint puller or tie rod end puller is always nice to have. You're going to need a marking tool. You're going to need a 22mm wrench, a 24mm wrench, a 15mm wrench. You're also going to need a 22mm socket and a 17mm socket to take off your wheel lugs. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I was having some trouble. The impact couldn't quite get these the rest of the way off because they tightened back up on me because I had loosened them actually probably last week. Had this up in the air for a bit now, actually waiting on the part. So I wanted to show you a little trick that I did to get it broke loose with it still up in the air. I just basically took these two blocks right here, braced them on the opposite side, and then basically just, go at it and break it loose. So, just wanted to show you guys that. Let's get it the rest of the way off here. Maybe my dog will be quiet, maybe not. I already had to retake once because the dog was barking. Alrighty. There we go. Tire is off. Alright guys, as I got into this a little bit more here, I realized I didn't give you quite the right sizes. This is the W164 chassis, and the video that I had watched was on the W163 chassis. So you actually need a 16mm to hold this right here, and then you need a 21mm to hold this right here. The 24mm that I had originally said was supposed to hold this, and it doesn't. It's 21mm and 16mm. It's noon, so I just wanted to point that out. And you'll also need a wire brush to clean all this off. So let's get to it. Hopefully we don't have any more distractions or problems. I'm back, guys. So this top nut right here gets torqued down to 74 Newton meters. Technically this right here is supposed to get torqued down to 53 newton meters, but I do not have a crow's foot this big to be able to do that, and I do not have a wrench style torque wrench. I only have a socket style. So I'm gonna torque this down. Hopefully the other one's good. I'm gonna have to take and have it aligned anyways, so. What we got wrong? Alright, let's see this torqued. How much was showing. But basically that's it. I'm gonna have to, like I said, I'm gonna have to have it aligned. I didn't get it quite back on the mark. It's pretty close, so we'll be able to drive it at least to the alignment shop and have them align it. So that's it for that. Another video down. See you later, guys.